Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ensure and Protinex powder. Both are well-known nutritional supplements designed to support adult health. Ensure is often chosen for its complete and balanced nutritional profile, aiming to fill dietary gaps. Protinex, on the other hand, is primarily recognized for its higher protein content, targeting muscle strength and immune support. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which might be best for your needs. Let's dive into their nutritional makeup. A standard 30-gram serving of Protinex Original delivers about 10 grams of protein, while a larger 57-gram serving of Ensure Original provides 8 to 9 grams. Ensure typically offers more calories, around 240 to 250 per serving, compared to Protinex's 105 to 113 calories. Ensure also tends to have a wider array of added vitamins and minerals for comprehensive nutrition. Understanding your needs helps choose the right product. Ensure is often recommended for individuals seeking complete, balanced nutrition, perhaps for weight gain or during recovery from illness. It supports general well-being, energy levels, and immune health. Protinex, with its higher protein concentration, is better suited for those prioritizing muscle development, strength, and faster recovery, making it popular among active individuals or those with increased protein requirements. Finally, let's consider flavor and cost. Both Ensure and Protinex come in various flavors, including popular vanilla and chocolate options. However, some find Protinex Original to have a slightly bitter taste. Pricing can differ significantly depending on the specific product variant and where you buy it. Ultimately, your choice should align with your personal health objectives, whether it's comprehensive nutrition or targeted protein support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.